All right, so we are 4 days?
4 days.
4 days out of a fleur-de-lis max type for our lovely patient who came from?
New Jersey.
New Jersey. The Northeast is always very fun.
Yes.
Awesome.
Still cold there, but yes.
Oh yeah, weather's definitely better here.
Yes.
At least right now.
Right now.
Awesome. All right, dear. So I like to start asking patients first at 4 days, how are you feeling? How's your pain today?
I feel great today. Actually, no pain, just a little sore, but surprisingly, no pain.
Isn't that crazy? So can you tell? There's many patients that see this, or people that see this and say, "Hey, that's impossible. She had a fleur-de-lis, like no way." So what would you respond to patients?
Well, I would say yes. I thought that would be crazy too until I went through it. First couple days, I think it's normal. It was, it wasn't great, but after, I'm telling you, I just turned the corner after day 3, day 4. It's like nothing. Not nothing, but it's definitely no pain. I can guarantee no pain. I only took Tylenol last night and haven't needed anything today. And I do think it was crazy, but going through it myself, it's true. So
you're a believer now?
I am a believer.
Yeah, no, I would say I agree. The majority of patients by day 3 to 4, they just turn the corner.
Yeah, the corner. It's not, great the first couple of days, but it's not anything unbearable.
Yeah, awesome. That sounds good. Now, coming from New Jersey, I know, especially our folks in the Northeast, are usually even more picky.
Yes.
I think the personalities are usually more like that in the Northeast.
Yes.
Now, tell us how your support has been while you've been here.
Oh, it's been great. I've been solo. This was a solo trip for me. It was the only way I was able to do it, and I'm glad, I did. It's pretty scary, but you're never alone here. I've had a great nurse, Natalie. She was with me every day for 6 hours a day, anytime that I needed her. Massage therapist too, Sarah. She was fantastic. Everybody here in the office, you need anything, just a text or a call away. And I never felt like I was going to be alone and scared of an emergency or anything. Everything's so close by. The hospital's right around the corner. You guys are, always available. So, it relieved any anxiety I had once I got here about just the support that's available.
Awesome. That's great. And very importantly, what do you think about your results so far?
I believe you're a magician. And you've done amazing work, and I don't regret 1 ounce of it. And I'm just so pleased right now, and I know it's just going to get better with time. So
awesome. That's good to hear. So I have the gift for you.
Yes.
So I saved some of your skin. You ready to look?
I'm ready.
All right, let's see it again. This is just us seeing in 1, 2, and 3.
That is crazy. That is, I can't laugh. That is more than I ever thought would ever come off my body, but that is amazing. Wow.
So what got you to the point of saying, hey, I want to do something for myself for this time?
Well, I know I did everything I could naturally by myself, I started a weight loss journey in 2018. I've lost a lot of weight. I had a twin pregnancy. And I knew I got to the point that if I wanted to meet my goals, that I would need some help. And it was, time for me. My youngest kids are 10, and it was just time to put some time and investment in myself. And it was just time. And I think you just know when it's time to do something for yourself. And I don't regret it one bit.
That's great. Yeah. Awesome. Well, we're very excited to be part of your journey, that's for sure. And you're looking amazing. I'm sure you're going to be happier at week 6 and month 3, that's for sure.
Yeah, I can't wait.
Awesome, dear. Thank you for sharing. You've been fantastic.